Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by picking one niche and filming right away. Focus on repeatable value that scales. Once done, batch 10 to 20 clips so you have a content runway. This prevents halts. Make sure each video opens with a 3-second hook that promises a payoff. Test 3 hooks per concept. You should shoot 16 to 9, 15 to 60-second clips. This format maximizes shareability and retention, which is the base of earning. You now optimize and scale. First, edit with punchy cuts, captions, and tight timing. Trim 0, 5 to 1, 0 seconds off weak openings to increase retention. Once posted, publish 3 to 4 clips daily for 2 weeks and monitor click-through rate, average watch time, and share rate. Those metrics unlock distribution. Make sure to repurpose top performers to YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels, while turning high retention clips into a TikTok series. To compound view, you close the loop by converting attention into revenue. Once you have consistent winners, apply for the Creator Fund, pitch brands with performance data, add affiliate links, or sell a small digital product. Make sure pricing is clear. Then package clips into courses, templates, or memberships for recurring income. If growth stalls, audit the obvious. Hooks, thumbnails, upload times, and audio choice. Adjust one variable at a time. If still stuck, refresh the niche angle and repeat the test cycle.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.